Disclaimer guys, this is not a track video vlog. It didn't really go as planned. You'll see why. I apologize, I didn't get any GoPro footage. I'll explain what happened. Don't worry, the car's fine, everything's okay. I still drive it every single day. It's still fine, just a minor hiccup. So enjoy the video. This is our very first track day of the year. I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you what I've done to the car today. I've just been like prepping it, getting it ready. Meeting up with a bunch of guys around like 1 o'clock, and then our session is 5 to 9. We just want to get there really early. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm bringing. So I kind of cleared out my trunk. So I actually literally just picked up this jerry can today. It's a 20 liter. I picked up these gloves. They're literally just batting gloves for like, you know, driving and shit. Because last year I was literally ripping off the leather off my steering wheel. Lawn chair. Got my torque wrench right here, toolbox right here, and you already know, gotta bring the detailer in case, like, you know, gets a little dirty and shit. Alright guys, so we're at the track right now. I got the wheels torqued down, covered up my front plates, so we're kind of just waiting for it right now. It's just before 5, that's when it starts, so let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm never really ready, to be honest. I'm just kind of nervous, but we'll see what happens. Should be fun. Try to get some GoPro footage. I'm gonna do a couple laps without the GoPro just to get a feel for it, and then we'll see what happens.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Well, as you can see guys, I got into a bit of an accident. I was taking the last turn too hard than I could handle, and I ripped off my side skirt. I ripped off my fender liner. I completely curbed this wheel. Honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it was. I was just taking it too hard, and it is what it is. So here's the fender liner. Yep. Here's my side skirt. Surprisingly, the side skirt lip stayed on. Nothing broke. Yeah, I just need new clips, and then some of these popped off, so I need to fix that shit. I don't know, man. It could have been worse, man. It's still a bummer, don't get me wrong, but here we go. We're gonna go back on, boys.
Several days later.
Alright, so it's about like 3 days later. So the track day was Saturday. It's currently Tuesday, so I actually just put everything back together. I didn't really record it. I just really wanted to get it done, and I just didn't really think of it, so I apologize for that again. This is going to be one of those videos where it's all over the place. I'm going to explain to you guys what I've done. So as you can see, we got the side skirt back on. This is the one that fell off the driver's side, and yeah, it's not on that good. So I didn't put enough JB Weld on the brackets, and they literally just fell right off. I have the new clips, but I mean, it's holding on okay. Like, it's pretty much not going anywhere. Basically what I did is I drilled a hole right here, and then I drilled a hole down there, held in it with a zip tie, so in case these clips fail, it'll just like hold on right there, so it'll be fine. I'm gonna eventually like redo this all properly, like JB Weld it properly, or maybe just get like a new side skirt altogether, see what happens. So we only really have one clip right here, one clip right here, and then 2 or 3 clips right there holding it in. The rest are not even being held in, and then there's a screw holding it in over there. Yeah, it's not the best, but I mean, hey man, it works. And so for the wheel, I touched it up, I sanded it down. Yeah, it's not the best, but I mean, the wheel is kind of dirty to begin with. And then for the fender liner, I just literally like zip tied it back together. So she ain't going anywhere. This is pretty secure. That was pretty easy to do. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So update on the fins. So I basically just tried to bend it back as much as I can. Yeah, it looks pretty terrible from under here. I'm getting a new fin next Wednesday, but yeah, I kind of just taped it back together, like the brackets and everything is just way too hard to bend. I'll literally just break it into pieces. So I have it held in by tape. It should do for now. I mean, if you look at it from afar, it doesn't look bad. It's just when you look under, you can really see how messed up it is, but it'll do for like the next week. I also busted a hub ring on the wheel that got curbed, and then my wheel balancing is also off. Like, the weights are completely gone on the wheel. So luckily I had an extra hub ring on me, but I have to get the wheel balancing done on Friday, so it is what it is. So yeah, overall, the things that got damaged in summary, so the side skirt ripped off. Luckily nothing broke, like the entire side skirt itself didn't break, it was just the brackets and the clips. And then I curbed my wheel, fender liner came off, and then the rear diffuser fin broke off. That's easy. You just literally need to replace the fin, which is like 20 bucks, so I just need to pick it up. The guy said he'll have it ready for like next Wednesday. So yeah, all in all, I would say I got pretty lucky. Yeah, it's unfortunate that, you know, this had to happen, but it is what it is. It's holding on pretty good. I will like I said, I'll do the side skirt properly. It is unfortunate, yes, that, you know, I did like crash the car at the track. Luckily, I would say I got pretty lucky that nothing major got damaged. Overall, the damages, well, overall what I had to pay for was $15 for the side skirt clips. What else did I have to pay for? $20 for the new fin for the rear diffuser, and then another $50 for the wheel balancing. So give or take like $100. Wasn't bad by any means. I mean, I got pretty lucky, like I said. Yeah, I'd like to do my side skirt all over again, but it's kind of just on the car. Just chilling. I could easily just take it off right now if I wanted to, but it is what it is. I honestly don't know how, like, the side skirt did not break. Like, the side skirt itself, like, with the lip on, it honestly, it's funny. I was telling people, it would have been more costly for me to literally just break off my side skirt lip than, like, all the damage that happened. Because it's expensive to get a new side skirt lip, obviously. It'd be like easily like $200, so I guess more damage, less cost, so I'll take it. But yeah, I really apologize. I didn't get any GoPro footage. I was just really demotivated to, like, you know, track the car that day. I mean, I did track it right after, but I didn't get a lot of footage. I was just mainly focusing on like my driving, and I didn't really think to record, so I hope you guys can understand why. I promise next track day I'm gonna get as much footage as I can. I know that's what you guys want to see, and I know I haven't delivered, and I apologize for that. Moral of the story is, like, you know, shit happens. Like I said, I got pretty lucky, to be honest. It could have been a lot worse. The car still drives fine mechanically. Everything's still fine, you know. My alignment's not messed up. My wheel's not messed up. Everything's just not really messed up at all. It was just mostly cosmetic, so I got pretty lucky. So no, this is not clickbait. I actually did crash my speed at the track. Not like crash, not like total, like knock on wood that ever happens. I got lucky, but yeah. I also apologize that, you know, it's been like a week since I uploaded a video. I know that's still like fine in like the YouTube world, but for me that's like way over like my upload schedule, so I apologize. I've just been taking some time to, you know, take a step back from, like, you know, driving and, you know, the whole car shit, but I'm getting back into it. I still need to post my video where I installed like my intake, my boost controller, my map sensor. So that'll be my next video. I'm really gonna up my content, honestly. I feel like I've been kind of slacking off recently. I'm really gonna, you know, set the bar higher, really up my quality of my content, because I feel like I've kind of been slacking off. I've still been uploading consistently, don't get me wrong, but I just feel as if I haven't been putting as much effort as I used to be, so definitely expect more quality content. Also, shout out to Tom for giving me a big driver mod. He definitely showed me the ropes, explained to me how to actually drive the car properly, and it was like I was a completely different driver, so I'm excited to go next time. Hopefully I'll be a lot better than before, and I've definitely learned my lesson that, you know, this car has its limits. I have definitely learned what I need to upgrade with the car, and 110% is wider tires, like I've mentioned a million times. I know you guys don't need to give me shit for it. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys understand why I couldn't get a lot of footage from that track day, or I didn't get any GoPro footage. I promise you guys have my word, next track day I'm gonna get a shit ton of content. I'm hoping to go within the next like 2 to like 3 or 4 weeks. So definitely stay tuned. So if you're excited for that, definitely subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for that. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for understanding. See you in the next one. Stay consistent. Peace.